One may wonder, can you have a national conference on voting where it is bipartisan in nature? And I will tell you the answer is emphatically yes. You know, voter education is so important. And it's important for it to come from credible messengers. And it's important for that voter education to be bipartisan.
All of us come together, Democrat, Republicans, saying the same thing, singing the same song, because what we ultimately understand and we can all agree on is that voting is something that we cherish in America and separates our democracy from everyone else. And that is what matters, and that's what we got to protect.
So they say democracy dies by 1,000 cuts. But taking away the right to vote is a wound, a deep wound. It's not just a cut. So if we have one place to start, this is the place, and this is the time right now.
Whether you're a Democrat or a Republican, the infrastructure ought to be available for you to be able to exercise your right to vote. So no one should be excluded. In fact, we need to make sure that the infrastructure is available and accessible to everyone.
As we look to next year's gathering, it's going to be about action and how we utilize those tools and how we measure, what we've done so far that have been put to work, particularly in this midterm election, and how we hopefully stymie some of the efforts around the country to further propose legislation that only suppresses people's right to vote.
We face hurdles all the time in life. We find a way to jump over those hurdles. So it's my hope that where people put things in place to keep people from voting, that people will say, no, this is my right. This conversation has helped to energize people who are part of it.